Discovery driver 2 is server response time. If your website's slow, then you're invisible to AI. Let's talk about the second major factor for being recommended by models like ChatGPT or Google's AI mode or Perplexity or any of the LLMs. There's one little technical factor that we don't shy away from here at Tenacious because that's where the edge is. So we're talking about improving your server response time. So the metric we obsess over here is TTFB, so it's time to first byte. So you may have heard about this in traditional search, but I'm telling you, it's much more important when it comes to AI search. This is exactly how long it takes from the moment a request is made to your server until the first byte of data is then downloaded. And here's why it matters. So when someone enters a prompt into a large language model, that model is going to perform a search. But here's the catch, it will only wait so long. If your website takes too long to load or to respond, then the AI gives up and moves on to your competitor. Now, just like traditional search engines, AI search uses an index. So for initial search, it's looking at saved data, not the live web. However, AI search goes one step further. Before it writes an answer and provides a recommendation, it usually needs to verify the source. So it performs a live fetch, and it actually needs to read your web page in real time to generate the answer. And it performs a handful of these fetches simultaneously. Now, this is all to happen in milliseconds to provide a good user experience. Speed isn't just a luxury, it's a requirement. So how do you engineer your server response time so that you get retrieved by the AI quick enough? Well, here's the protocol. Two major things. So use a content delivery network. We recommend services like Cloudflare. This hosts your website on multiple servers all around the world, and it limits the physical distance between your website and the AI server making the request. And secondly, if you enable server-side caching, then this is where a copy of your page is saved on the server. So when AI asks the page, so the server hands over the copy instantly, and it doesn't have to wait, and it doesn't waste time building the page from scratch. So these are micro optimizations that you can make, but these are the big two. This is driver number 2 in our Tenacious Marketing AI framework, and we've 9 more to go. If you missed the first one, go back and watch it. We're building the blueprint for the future of search right here. So stick with me and let's build.